to add ChatGPT Voice on your iPhone lock screen. Recently, OpenAI released 2 ChatGPT widgets that can be added to the iPhone's lock screen, making it easier to use the ChatGPT Voice feature. While the market of AI voice assistants is increasing rapidly, Apple's AI assistant Siri is set to receive a significant upgrade at the upcoming It's Glow Time event. The upgrade will reportedly include integration of Apple Intelligence within the AI assistant, but it's unlikely to match the level of ChatGPT's conversational skills. However, now on iPhone, with the background conversation feature of ChatGPT and the lock screen widgets, iPhone users can start a new ChatGPT Voice conversation. Here's how to add the ChatGPT Voice widget. On iPhone, there are 2 widgets available from ChatGPT that will work on the lock screen, including one with a pair of headphones in the corner and one without it. If any user applies the one with the headphones, they'll have immediate access to ChatGPT Voice by tapping it. The feature will open automatically if the user has access to Advanced Voice, the native speech-to-speech version of OpenAI's assistant. However, enabling background conversations in the ChatGPT app settings will allow users to continue to talk with the AI even when the app isn't open.